a real strict diet before, and I was still a size 12.
Wow.
And now I'm a size 8, and I've lost 30 pounds. And it's the best I've ever felt that I can remember really in my whole life, because I've always had fatigue issues, really. So, I mean, it's just truly, I changed my water and I changed my life, and it's like the best investment. If someone offered me $1 million for my machine and I couldn't get another one, I'd say no thank you. Keep your money, because that to me is how much that has changed my life and means to me and my family. So that's amazing. I was diagnosed several years ago with Crohn's disease and didn't know what caused it, and there's no cure, and here eat this bland diet and take these drugs for the rest of your life. And 8 months into taking the drugs, they didn't do much for me except make me feel worse. And you never know what's going to trigger it. You can have multiple things that you can eat separately, but if you mix too many of the wrong things together, it sends you into an attack. I would miss about 2 to 3 days a month of work, and then it would take me a couple of weeks to get back to normal, and I was very fatigued. I was anemic. I wasn't absorbing my food that I was eating, and I was basically, the definition of it is slowly starving. The body's slowly starving, and my immune system was out of control, and I had allergies, which I'd never had before. And the surgeon said, okay, well, the good news is that we'll cut out the piece of your intestinal tract that is, messed up. And the good news is you can stay on these drugs for the rest of your life, and it will manage the length between when you'll have to have your next surgery. And which I was guaranteed 95% chance that I was guaranteed I would have another surgery. But the good news was that I could stay on these drugs that had all these side effects and were really bad. The intestinal drugs they use are really, really bad.
How you doing? My name is Dr. Lucas. I'm a chiropractor in the city of Long Beach. I've been practicing over 14 years, and I started using the Nenagic Kangen water for about 4 years now. It's been absolutely phenomenal in my practice, and the reason it's been so well is because it helps the body to heal in a way that I haven't seen before. It's absolutely phenomenal. I definitely recommend that you try it.
I designate the top 5 things that I believe really help cancer patients. And of course, when I get down to number 1, you know what that is. You flood the body with alkalinity, with microstructured water, and with antioxidants, and amazing things happen. And many of you know that. Of course, I don't say that Kangen water cures anything, and neither should you. As a matter of fact, I don't tell anyone that there is any particular product, supplement, treatment, or therapy that will cure cancer. It would be irresponsible. What cures cancer is the human immune system. And when you support it properly, it doesn't matter if you have a cold or the flu, heart disease, arthritis, fibromyalgia, lupus, you can heal your own body. Cancer is a disease that we give ourselves. And so I'm thrilled to endorse the things that I do, especially Kangen water.
I came to a demo like this and I started drinking the water, and I drank 5 of those big glasses that the tomatoes were in. I mean, actually 10 of those glasses that the tomato. I just sat there and drank. I was so thirsty. The more I drank, the more I wanted, and they just kept filling my glass up. And it was an hour and 15 minutes before I had to go to the bathroom, and I drank 10 big glasses of water. I was so dehydrated, and I was sitting there, right? And when I left there, I had so much energy, which I had not experienced for, I couldn't even tell you how long. And I thought, I'm never going to go home and go to sleep. And I'm like, I got home, my head hit the pillow, and I was out. It was the best night of sleep I had had in years. I had no pain. And my pain from my back was better immediately. And within about 5 weeks into drinking the water, my back got worse. And I'm like, oh no, what's going on? And I just kept drinking more and more water. And then on about the 5th day, I woke up and I have had no pain since, over a year and a half, almost 2 years now, no pain in my back from the injury or from the previous issues I had with my back and other things. I have no pain. I don't have to take anything. I sleep. The Crohn's, I've continued to improve upon the water with nutrition. Mika's helped me out with that and got me back on track. And I have nothing from Crohn's.